Flood insurance is a type of insurance that helps protect homeowners and businesses from financial losses caused by floods. It can reimburse you for repairs, replacement costs, and other expenses incurred when a flood damages your property. Most standard home policies do not cover flood damage, so it's important to purchase a sufficient policy if you live in an area at risk for flooding. This coverage is available through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, which is administered by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, Fema. Flood insurance typically costs between $200 and $500 per year, depending on the value of your home and its contents. If you live in a high-risk area, your premium may be higher. For most homeowners, it is something they don't think about until it's too late. But if you live in a floodplain, an area prone to flooding, having coverage is something you should consider. If you're considering buying a policy, remember that it typically takes 30 days for the coverage to go into effect. So don't wait until there's a hurricane or severe storm on the way to buy a policy. By then, it may be too late.